Hey everybody, it's Patman here from TVPad News. So I'm gonna show you a quick overview of the HTV3 right now. Alright, so this is the classic mode or classic view when you boot up the HTV, and it's categorized by the three categories on the left. So we have live channels, VOD, and playback. So let's go through the live channels right now. So we have the basic Chinese TV one. This one has all the Cantonese and the Mandarin stuff and the Taiwanese stuff all in here. So let's see. I'll just quickly go through the channel listing here. So in this app, there's about 130 channels. So there's a big mixed bag right here. So, and let me load up the TVB here, HD. And what I like about this box is that it loads up very quickly compared to TVPad or the UV box. So let's see another one. So as you can see, it loads up within 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, now let's try. Guess. Not sure what. Oh, here's the Taiwanese channel. So that's that now. And if you want the Taiwanese stuff, this is the Taimun TV. It's all the Taiwanese stuff. And I believe there's about 30 here. Just want to check. Yeah, 37 to be exact. So it's the same thing as the other app, really. And this Binfan TV is more of the same thing, but this one has I guess English stuff. So go down here. So same thing. And that's about it for the Chinese stuff. I should show the Vietnamese stuff here as well in a second. So that's just another app with this basically the same stuff. And the Viet TV. Since I don't know much about Vietnamese TV, so I can't really comment on it, but there is 10 stations here. I got it to load once before, but I'm not sure if it's still working. Oh, there it is. I guess the second channel doesn't work or something, so I really have no clue. Alright, so let's get to the VOD stuff. What I like about the VOD on the HTV is that it's really organized. Like, so for example, this app is the UTV. It has all the Cantonese stuff, and if you want something, I guess just go to Showtime here and then TV series, and it basically has all the recent ones and all the dub ones in Cantonese as well. So these ones are the ones that that's been aired on TVB, so it has all the Cantonese stuff. And just let me play one to show you that it works. Maybe it doesn't. And the ones that work does slow up fairly quickly. So, and there it is. And if I fast forward, it should fast forward. So it goes. Now, and that's just all the others. Oh, and one thing that's also good on the HTV is that it does have the Cantonese cartoons for all the parents out there. So all these movies or all these shows are in it's dubbed in Cantonese as well. All right, now there is the Mandarin or the Taiwanese stuff here. I think the various videos app. Yep, so it's basically the same thing. The on the Showtime tab, and then just go to popular theater, and there, oh, it is here. And what this app does, it does show the all the Koreans and the Japanese dramas as they are aired. So they are not dubbed; they're in their original languages. So let's see if I could get this to play. So there you go. Just have Chinese subtitles and their original language track, which is pretty good. Now, and lastly, I want to show you the playback. So there's the two playback. The one is a wonderful playback, which is the Mandarin one, which is basically the same as any other box, really. You have the 7 days and the channels on the left hand side. And let's do Discovery, and then Wednesday. And there it is. And the second playback app is the Cantonese one, which is the same thing as the UB box one, so the same interface and everything basically. Yep. So don't really have to go through this. And the last thing I'll just quickly show is their app store. So there's, I guess the easiest way is just use the recommended one, and that's basically all the apps you could see here. So you have the U video, which is the one I showed earlier. And okay, let's try to install one. I'll show you how quickly it installs. So alright, so let's do the Portuguese one. Just press OK. Once, I think it will install in 2 seconds. Wait, actually, no, never use it. So you see the check mark here on the box, and then I do the install selected. Yeah, there we go. And that's it really. So, which is a lot quicker than the TVPad app store, in my experience. And there's all the other apps here. I think they're all 5 stars anyway, so. And then these are categorized. So, same thing. There's one interesting thing here I want to show you is the oh, there's other stuff here. It's the remote installation. So guess what you could do here is go on the website and install apps remotely. So which is pretty convenient. You don't have to download it onto your phone or onto your USB and plug it in. So that's it. If you have any questions, post them in the forums and I'll see if I can answer them for you. Cheers.